The lawyer for Fotis Dulos, Norm Pattis, says the defense team is waiting for the smoking gun evidence in the case. Attorney Norm Pattis said Wednesday he has yet to hear if investigators have a smoking gun connecting his client to Jennifer Dulos' disappearance, but Pattis later conceded that surveillance video of Fotis dumping garbage bags that police said contained his estranged wife's blood was a very awkward set of facts. There is an explanation, but we're not going to give it until it's time to present it to a jury, Pattis said Wednesday afternoon. I think when we do it, it will appear a lot less troubling. Fotis Dulos and his girlfriend Michelle Turconis have each pleaded not guilty to tampering with evidence and hindering prosecution charges stemming from the Hartford video footage taken the night of the disappearance. Norm Pattis says he has not yet seen the videos that police say show his client and Michelle stopping 30 times on Albany Avenue in Hartford at around the same time Jennifer was reported missing. According to arrest warrants, clothing and sponges containing Jennifer's blood were found in the bags. The discovery led to an extensive search for more evidence that lasted 3 weeks at a Hartford trash plant. Police said there were signs that Jennifer was a victim of a serious physical assault after blood stains and blood spatter were found in the garage of her New Canaan home. State's Attorney Richard Colangelo also said Fotis's DNA was found mixed with his wife's blood on the faucet of her kitchen sink. New Canaan Police Lieutenant Jason Farrow said Wednesday there was no new information to be released on the investigation. Norm Pattis says he has not received any of the evidence in the case aside from the arrest warrant in the public court file. He said he is awaiting for photos, diagrams, police reports, and other evidence gathered during the massive investigation. I have zero at this point, he said. The description of the scene in the garage is that there was a violent struggle, Pattis said. I want to see more of that. I want to see how violent it was. Norm Pattis has been calling for the charges to be dropped against Michelle Turconis, Fotis's gal pal, who he says can provide an alibi for his client. Pattis said Wednesday that Michelle was in and out of the Farmington home she shared with Fotis the morning of May 24th. Norm Pattis said Michelle could testify that she saw Fotis in the Jefferson Crossing home during the time his wife disappeared. However, Michelle is unlikely to testify if she is facing charges, Pattis said. Fotis met with a banker that morning and fielded a call from Greece, Pattis said. Pattis told Chaz and AJ, that's a radio show, that he believes the police do not have a video of his client leaving from the front of the Jefferson Crossing house or entering his estranged wife's New Canaan home the morning she went missing. The videos don't show him leaving or entering the homes that are necessary, said Pattis, who told the radio personalities that he has sources close to the investigation that are providing him with information. Pattis is confident the records will show his client's cell phone didn't leave the Farmington house that morning. His cell phone remained at home. The prosecution will say he may have left it at home, Pattis told Chaz and AJ, but Pattis said he doesn't yet have the phone records, and Pattis is pressing for an August trial on the tampering with evidence and hindering prosecution charges.